TA Tech Tip, we will demonstrate setting up an experimental sequence in the design view and executing that experimental sequence in the running queue within TRIOS. Within TRIOS, you have the option to set up experiments through the design view or the running queue. The design view can be used as an offline feature of the software to set up a sequence of experiments that can be executed at a later time. Select the Design Run tab and then simply enter the sample name and run details, such as pan number, sample size, pan mass, operator, and project information. To enter a data file name, a default directory may be set up. In addition, you can use tokens to further name the data file. These tokens can include project, sample name, and date. To set up an experimental method, you can select one of the preloaded test templates, which can then be further edited by selecting the custom template. The custom editor allows you to add segments to the method. You can edit the temperature range, the heat and rate, or add an isothermal segment. Select Apply, and if desired, you can save the procedure to be loaded to future experiments. The advanced settings allow you to edit the temperature range at which the sample pan will be loaded into the DSC cell. After setting up the first run, you can then append another run to the sequence. By appending a run, the sample information and method are copied over to the new run. This can be edited as needed from the design view in a tabulated format or within the Design Run tab. You can build the experimental sequence further by appending more runs. The sample, name, and run details can be edited as needed. To execute the experiments contained within the design view, you will need to copy the runs to the running queue. Sample details and information will be transferred to the running queue window. You may also set up experiments in the running queue instead of using the design view. Now you are ready to start the sequence of experiments.